Good afternoon, guys. Today is one of those days where nothing I'm doing is kind of going as planned. I know. Oh, did you find your ball? Had big plans first thing this morning of getting down here, which I did. Was down here by like 7:45, pushed the sheep in since I forgot to lock them up last night. So I got them back into the feedlot because I need to separate out my sheep to breed today. And but yesterday I had so much other stuff going on, I did not get everything put into my Gallagher. Well, today my computer and my Gallagher refused to talk to each other. So I spent way too much time trying to get that all figured out. Finally did. Finally got the sheep downloaded onto my Gallagher. But it rained all morning. So now everything is wet and crummy and cold. And yeah, it just hasn't been the greatest day. So, however, if everything goes smoothly, this will be the easiest group to separate because they're kind of already separated. So everything that is in the pasture behind the shop, all my 2025 ewes, they're going with one ram. So I just have to bring them in, separate them off from the younger 2025 lambs. And then my 2024 ewes that are in with the flock, I just have to bring the flock in, separate them off, put them on the other side of the paneling, and send the flock out. So as long as everybody moves the way they're supposed to, as long as everybody behaves the way they're supposed to, this should be a very smooth going. It just may be the rams that I have the issue with trying to get the two out that I need. I need sturgeon and I need Jameson. Yeah, hopefully they will not be jerks. Sturgeon usually isn't. Jameson, I don't know. I've never used him before. I'm gonna bring these ewes, these lambs, out a different gate only because I'm afraid if I try to bring them out this alley, they're gonna jump the gate down there and try to get in with those ewes. So I wanna bring them out this gate right here and close that off so that they can't go that way. However, they don't really know this gate, so this could be a little bit of a rodeo. All right, my little darlings. Let's everybody head toward, hopefully, the gate. Come on. June, heel. Come on. June, heel. Heel. Okay, that's not a gate anymore. And you've never gone in and out of it. So let's go the other direction. Carefully, gently, without tearing around. Hoping they will just very nicely walk. Won't be an issue. Heel. Hey, right here. Good girls. Oh, do we have a smart one in the bunch? Do we have a smart one? Do we have a smart one? We have a smart one. Oh, ho, ho. Thank you. Lucky me. I know. I'll get you water. I haven't forgotten. Oh, ho, ho. Thank you, Jesus. Okay. Come on. So far, so good. Let's keep, oh, still a smart one. Okay, don't play with the boys yet. You can do that soon enough. Good girl, stick with me. Hey, 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 hey. I said stick with me. Good girls, good girls. Oh, so dang smart. Okay, let's see how well we can get this done. Trick is to get them all into the other side. I put a panel up so none of these could go through these bars, the feed bunks, and get in here. So, and then I can shut this and we'll have one group separated. All right, one group secured. Let's go let these littles out and go bring in the next group. Good girls. Good girls. Here. Down. I will say 150 head fits a lot nicer in this barn than 400 did. They just kind of scoot right in without any issue, and I can get them all in this alley. Now granted, not all 150 are right here. I've got some that have lambs, I have some that are breeding, I have some that are in different pastures that aren't going to get bred until next year or October of this year. But yeah, it's kind of nice not having to fight the sheep to get them into the barn. So round 2, let's go. Hopefully this will go as smoothly as those guys did. And they really weren't all that smooth. Seriously, I need you two to go that way. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good girls. Come on. I know it's crowded. I get it. I get it. Just give me a second here. We'll let everybody out. Come on, girls. Oh, I hope. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, I hope they didn't go underneath. Shoot. I didn't think of that. Come on, girls. Keep moving. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Before they go under. Shoot, I forgot about that. Come on, my darlings. I'm coming. There's only one of me. Well, I don't know what got into the sheep, but they behaved spectacularly. In fact, I was having a hard time keeping up with them because they were like running through the chute. I missed a couple scans. I know I'm missing one ewe, and I think she's my old ewe that died. I can't remember. I think I put her on the sheet accidentally. Oh, I need to water these guys. So yeah, I think we are winning. Now I just got to pull the 2 rams out and hope I can get the harnesses on them. I don't know why I struggle so bad with the harnesses. I just, my brain doesn't like click with them. I always put them on backwards. It's just easier if I have my husband do it. And then I can hold the rams because they like me better than him. Okay, let's water and go grab some rams. That's not what I was expecting. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, you guys are wet. Come on. Nope, 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 nope. Come on, Elvis. You coming? Okay. Good boys. This is one of those times I should have had my camera set up just to show you how docile these stupid rams are, because they would not go into the chute. So I ended up having to, oh, hey, look, there's my gloves. I tell you, I can't do anything with gloves on. So I drop them, and then I lose them, and then my husband yells at me because I never have gloves. Anyway, I couldn't get the rams to go into the chute. They were way too interested with all these lovely ladies. So I basically had to straddle the 2 I needed and walk them into the catch pen amongst all the other rams, who basically looked at me like, what are you doing, idiot? And they're wet, and it's raining again, and they're full of snow and rain, and now my hands are frozen because I didn't have any gloves. Okay, I've got 2 harnesses over there. Let's see if we can get them on these guys. Like I said, I'm really bad at doing it. I always mess it up. But let's see what we can get done, because I'd kind of like to be done. It's supposed to snow and rain basically from now till morning. So I kind of like to be done for the day. Quit trying to hide. You don't belong in here. How'd you get in here? She must have gone through the bunks before I managed to push these guys over here. I'm just gonna leave her for now. There's no chance she's gonna get bred. She's too little. I'll probably pull her out tomorrow when it's not as crummy. Because I'm only supposed to have 15 over here, and I have 16. She's an oops. She shouldn't be over here. Herman! How? Oh, you stupid, stupid pig. How am I gonna... You're just gonna have to wait till I get them fed before I can get you out. No doubt he went in there while I was trying to get those 2 rams out of here. Curiosity killed the cat, but I think it killed the pig too. Bon Jovi, leave him alone. Come on, Herman, let's go eat. Come on, let's go eat. No, you need to go the other way. Come on. No. There you go. Come on. Come on. Nope. Come on. Dude, no! Damn, Herman! Where's a bucket when you need one? Come on, let's go out. Come on. Come on. Herman, 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 Herman. Let's go eat. Come on, let's go eat. No. No, 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 no. Turn. Turn, 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 turn. Turn. Go out the gate. Ay, ay, ay. Sturgeon. So his is on. I don't think it's right. I got one side that's like so stinking loose. Oh shoot, my water's overflowing. And the other side that's not. But I just texted my husband and it doesn't sound like he's gonna be home anytime early tonight. So I just want this project done. So his is on. We'll probably have to fix it tomorrow whenever he gets home. Tomorrow's Thursday. I won't be home all day. He won't be home all day. So yeah, hopefully by the end of the day, we'll both be home and can get it fixed because I know it's not right. It just wasn't lining up. So hopefully I can get the one on Jameson. He's kind of being a turd. He keeps not headbutting, but like flinging his head every time I try to put the harness around him. And I don't really want to end up with a broken nose. So I'm going to do my best and try and get it on him so that I can get him in with this other group of girls. I'm coming. I'm going to get you water. Just give me a second. There's only one of me. Nope. Don't get to turn around now. Nope. Nope. Hold on, we're getting there. Okay. There you go. Good boy. Okay, all the ewes in here are first-time ewes. And unfortunately, he is also a first-time ram. I normally don't, but he's also just coming on 2 years old. So I figure if he doesn't know what he's doing, heaven help us all. And everybody in this pen is not a first-time ewe. And Sturgeon is most definitely not a first-time ram. You've got to be kidding me. Did I not just fix where they were getting out? Apparently, they have a new spot they're getting out. Son of a biscuit. And I can't even lock them in because the rest of the flock has not shown up. They're probably hiding under the trees, trying to get out of the rain. What are you girls doing? Finn, you're supposed to be on the sell list like 2 years ago. You keep slipping through the cracks. You are the problem child. Yeah, you. Same ones. Aspen, Juneberry, Bonner, and Dory. Same stinking ones. Come on, all y'all get out. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Ugh, sticks. Can you guess what our big project in April is going to be? Shearing the whole stinking month. I'm hoping the fact that it is getting towards dark, it's still raining, that they are going to just hang out in the feedlot, and that anybody else that comes in is not going to find out whatever hole these guys went. I'm sure they did the same thing. They just found a weak spot in the fence and went under it. So, not tomorrow, but definitely Friday. Guess what I'll be doing?